Hi, I'm Sonna Brado, Global Artist for KMS. I'm from Spokane, Washington, United States. On my model Emma, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how freehand slicing with texturizers can remove a massive amount of bulk. I've already done a razor cut on her hair, and so what I want to do now is remove a little bit more of the weight that's in her hair. So I'm going to come in with pivoting partings, which is the same way I did her cut, and then work and freehand slice with my texturizers. So I'm holding the hair in the same manner that I cut it, and I'm coming in with my texturizers, closing and just sliding out. So what this is doing is it's removing more bulk on those ends. Emma likes to wear her hair down around her face, but also pushed back, almost in a slick back type of look. So this additional removal of bulk will really help facilitate that. I'm going to go ahead and avoid the hairline area because it doesn't have as much bulk as the occipital bone area. In order to give Emma a completely different look than the shag look that she's wearing, I'm going to use the molding paste and slick her hair back, diffuse it into place, and then actually let it kind of do what it wants to do. So starting at the back and working my fingers through the hair, and then adding a little bit more each time. So I'm getting the molding paste all throughout her hair. Then I'm going to comb it through the hair so that it's completely distributed. And what I'm going for is not necessarily a wet texture, but something that is going to be very pliable and something that will have a moldable type of feeling. So I've finished out Emma's hair by doing some freehand slicing, and that has removed a lot of the bulk out of the back of her hair so that it can go back and actually stay back. I utilized the molding paste in order to create this really soft, controlled feeling with the hair, and then finished it off with the working spray. Thank you for watching, and to see more of our videos from KMS, make sure you check out the Global KMS YouTube channel.